Hi children, this is the first lesson of the topic factorization. What is factorization? The simple idea of factorization is taking common terms out of an expression. Hereafter, when you happen to factorize, first of all, identify the common terms and try to take them out. That is the first step of doing factorization. Let's start from the simple example. The question is to factorize 2a plus 6. Then we know that you can write 2a by 2 into a and 6 by 2 into 3. There you can understand common term is 2. 2 into a 2 and 2 into 3 is also 2. With that you can take this 2 out. If you take 2 out from 2a, a remains, and from this expression 2 into 3, if you take 2 out, 3 remains. Therefore, the expression turn up into 2 times of a plus 3. There is one more important thing. When you take common terms out, you have to take the common terms only once. From this example, when you take common 2 out, you can take only once. Let's try another example. The question is to factorize 5a plus 10b. From 5a you can understand that 5 into a is the expansion and 10b is 2 into 5 into b. Now you can understand that 5 is common from both of this expression and you can take 5 out. If you take 5 out, the terms remaining is a plus 2 into b and finally turn up into 5 times of a plus 2b. Let's move to the next example. The question is to factorize 6p minus 9q. If you factorize 6p, that is 2 into 3 into p, 9q is 3 into 3 into q. Therefore, you can understand that 3 is common for both the expressions. With that, if you take 3 out, the remaining terms would be 2 into p minus 3 into q. Then if you get the final answer, that would be turned up into 3 times of 2p minus 3q. Let's start with a question with 3 terms in one expression. The question is to factorize 2a plus 4b minus 8c. Then if you expand 2a, answer is 2 into a. Plus 4b is 2 into 2 into b and minus 8c is minus 2 into 2 into 2 into c. Now let's see what are the common terms available in this expression. The common term is 2. If you take 2 out, the remaining terms in the bracket would be a plus 2 into b minus 2 into 2 into c. Then the final answer would be 2 times of a plus 2b minus 4c. Let's make this question a little bit advanced. The question is to factorize 2ab plus 6ac minus 4ad. If you expand 2ab, answer is 2 into a into b plus 6ac expansion is 2 into 3 into a into c minus 4ad expansion is minus 2 into 2 into a into d. Then if you consider the common terms, you can understand that 2a is common from all the 3 expressions. When you take in the common terms, you have to consider the terms common for all 3 terms at once. Then if you take 2a out, the remaining terms inside the bracket would be b plus 3c minus 2d. Therefore, you can understand how to work out with the final answer. Let's work out with another sum. The question is to factorize 8m minus 12n plus 20p. If you factorize 8m, that would be 2 into 2 into 2 into m. Minus 12n would be 2 into 2 into 3 into n. Plus 20p would be 2 into 2 into 5 into p. Here you can understand that 2 into 2 is common. If you take this 2 into 2 out, the remaining terms in the bracket would be 2 into m minus 3 into n plus 5 into p. Therefore, your final answer would be 4 times of 2m minus 3m plus 5p. Hope you have understood the topic. See whether can you work out with this question and obtain the results in front. Thank you.